Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will explore various methods for creating and utilizing Arc in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, select the Arc tool from your toolbar located at the right or top of your workspace, depending on your profile. You can also select it by going to the Tool menu under Markups menu, or using its shortcuts Shift+C. Click and release to mark the starting point of your arc. The arc you draw can be a segment of a circle or an ellipse. Let's create an irregular arc representing a segment of an ellipse. Complete the arc by clicking on the endpoint of your arc. Now, let's create an arc from a circle. To create a perfect arc representing a segment of a circle, hold the Shift key while drawing your arc, and you can create a perfect circular arc. Now you can also extend your arcs to form a complete shape. Let's see how. Click and drag any one end of your arc and release the click upon reaching a desired point. Let's do the same to our arc from a circle. Click and drag to extend it, and now you see it's forming a complete circle. This is how you can create arcs representing a segment of a circle or an ellipse with different lengths. You can also turn your arcs into pie shapes. At the top, use the Markup editor to edit the appearance. Let's increase the line thickness of our elliptical arc. Add fill color to create a pie. You can reduce or expand it by clicking and dragging any of its endpoints. Let's do the same with our arc from a circle. Select it and add fill color from the Markup editor. Here you go. Resize it to create different pie shapes and use it as an infographic on your PDFs. This is how you can use the Arc tool to create different curves, shapes, and pie charts on your PDF. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, your go-to partner for all things Bluebeam.